Greetings, future humans. I am Ramesu, a free man, a builder, with sun-darkened skin and hands calloused by stone. You might stare at these pyramids and wonder, was it magic? Was it aliens? Let me tell you the truth, starting with my simple breakfast of bread and onions with my wife Aya and my mother Mutemwia. Every morning I walk towards this colossal wonder, the pyramids. They are our story. No cosmic visitors, just the strength of my people, shaping history with our hands. My own father gave his life building them. Each step I take towards the rising structure, I feel his presence, his sacrifice echoing in the desert air. You ask where the blocks came from? Right here, we cut them from the very earth of Giza, from the bedrock near our feet. For finer stone, it sailed down the Great Nile from distant quarries like Aswan. My arms ache from chipping away, but it's a proud ache. Then, the true muscle. Thousands of us, unified, drag these immense stones on wooden sledges. It takes synchronized effort, brotherhood, and raw human power. Water and mud beneath the runners ease the way, transforming impossible weight into agonizing but achievable progress across the sand. And no, we are not slaves. We are skilled workers, proud of our craft, paid in food, beer, and housing. Our families depend on this work. Our community thrives. The ramps they go, not by levitation, but by ingenious ramps of packed earth and wood. We use simple levers and rollers to guide each block with precision. Thousands of hands pulling ropes, carefully turning rollers. Piece by piece, layer by layer, we build. This is pure human genius at work, built on generations of knowledge. Sometimes I stand high, looking at what we've achieved. The sweat, the effort, the sheer scale of it. It's hard to imagine. Even for us who build it, we build this for our great Pharaoh, a colossal tomb to ensure his eternal journey to the afterlife. The world will wonder for millennia, but we know the truth behind these stones. As dusk falls, I walk home. Tired, yes, but filled with pride. My back aches, but my spirit is soaring. I am a free man, contributing to something monumental, part of something that will endure beyond our time, a legacy of human power. The pyramid stand as a testament to our will against the endless desert. Then there's my family. Their quiet presence makes every struggle worthwhile. For them I build. For their future, for the truth of our human capability, forever etched in stone. Remember our story. Remember us. Remember the builders.